Beginning in 2015, an unexpected and scary epidemic in Brazil made headlines all over the world. Hundreds of babies were born with microcephaly, a birth defect that results in abnormally small skulls. Microcephaly has serious repercussions, and doctors suspected the Zika virus. Their mothers suffered infections during their pregnancies. Apparently bitten by this mosquito, the Aedes aegypti, the same carrier of dengue fever virus. But the problem led researchers here in the Campinas University to ask this question. If the Zika virus could affect the brain cells of fetuses, could the virus also kill cancer stem cells in the brain, which also grow and reproduce quickly? Tests in laboratories suggested it could. Tumor cells inoculated with the virus died, while regular adult brain cells were not affected. The findings were published in a peer-reviewed scientific journal. Now researchers here hope to secure funding to continue their research.
Now we need to test this using animals. We need to inoculate the virus in animals with brain cancer to see if it works to eliminate them, and what doses we need to use to be safe and effective. Then, if we validate these results, we can proceed to clinical trials in humans.
The initial research on the use of Zika virus to fight brain cancer has returned some very promising results. But developing this into an actual treatment is a long and complicated process, likely to take several years. In the long term, this oncologist who heads the research department here in São Paulo's Cancer Institute, ICESP, sees much potential in creating a Zika therapy to treat cancer.
So once we know the virus, we can tame it and we can use it to our benefit. And this is what our people are doing, trying to tame the Zika virus to defeat glioblastoma, which are deadly diseases. Indeed, in China, there are many different protocols, clinical protocols using viruses that are tamed, and instead of causing disease, they serve as tool for curing.
Scientists say transforming Zika virus from a disease to a therapy is at least 5 to 10 years away. Paulo Cabral, CGTN, São Paulo.